I am here at Ras Ginga's yard, the mountains of Grenada, the Spice Isle, the island of spice. And we're about to get a tour of the property. And I heard it's only 2 years in the making and it's already looking amazing. You saw the garden tour that we did down there. Now we get the house tour, yeah?
Yeah, you know, welcome to the house.
Yeah. So where were you living when you were building it? Because you said you were living in just a basic
I was living in this here, but before I come over here, I was living in Mama Can.
Okay.
Over there by my mom. My mother live in Mama Can.
Okay.
So I used to be over there. When I just come from America, I used to live over there, but then I come over here. When I come over here, I clean up the land and build this that I could stay here. It don't look like how it was before because I had bed everything inside it.
Okay, so it's not set up right now, this second, but...
Yeah.
And did you have to clear all the land here too?
Oh yeah, it was woods. Everything was woods.
No way.
Yeah, big trees. You could see these stump.
Yeah, well,
all the stump there.
Fire going.
All them stump is from big trees. See this big piece there?
Yeah.
And you have some more down there. I got to cut down the mango tree soon.
Yeah, you cut it down?
Yeah, you see how the hole is in it in the bottom.
Yeah, I see, yeah.
You know, so it's no good. It could fall.
It is majestic looking. There's a crazy looking tree with steps on it. I might have to go climb up after just to get the view from the tree.
I put a step that I could climb.
So this was the base. This was just the first spot that you had the bed in. Oh, you got your little kitchen here too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where I used to live before.
So the very beginnings.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I used to live right here before I was stepping out.
Oh, wow. So you had your space, but yeah, I just kept it basic with the zinc.
Yeah, you know, just make it to the zinc and live here for almost 2 years, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, and from here, I build the house over here.
Okay.
But studios here like a kitchen sometimes.
Yeah. If it's raining or something.
Yeah, when it rains, and when I don't want to cook inside on the stove.
Yeah.
When I don't want to use the stove, I use the wood.
Well, yeah, this must have been a lot of work to clear. That's not a small area. Hey, Onyx. So I like the porch already with a nice bamboo on it. So did you learn these trades when you were working in America, or how did you learn how to do all the woodwork?
Just by seeing people doing it, but my father is a builder.
Oh, okay. So you had some.
Yeah, and my brother do them work too.
Okay.
My bigger brother, I have a bigger brother than I. He know them works good too. And my father is a good builder. He could build house. He make everything.
Cool.
He could do glass work. My father, he put on glass good. He worked for a couple of years in some bank in Manhattan, building up cupboards and them tables and things.
Yeah.
Yeah, my father do that.
Okay.
Yeah, I do everything.
So the first thing I noticed was how nice the floor is.
Yeah.
With like nice stained wood and.
You didn't must take it out.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, it's like nice, spacious, and you got the proper windows in too.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Got all your fruit, all your drums.
Yeah.
And nice high ceilings, which I like.
Yeah.
It's actually like quite a lot of space in here.
Like 9 feet.
9
feet
yeah.
high. You know, I build it high so I can feel that heat, you know. Because when the galvanized get hot, you get the heat from the galvanized.
Oh yeah, true.
So I put it higher. That most people put it 8 feet, but I just put my 9.
It's a nice touch. I feel like my friends that build in Canada, they're always trying to go a little higher these days, if you have the space to do it.
Yeah.
So
Well, I had the space, so I just do it one time, you know, instead of putting it 8 and it ain't gonna look good. I put it 9 so I could build something wrong it with the height I have.
True.
If I want to extend it, I could just extend it because it's high enough.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Yeah.
So yeah, the floor is so nice and solid, nice color wood.
Yeah. Varnished
it, stained it up.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the whole back door. So you use this kitchen sometimes still?
Yeah, that's when I want to cook inside.
Oh yeah. Oh nice. And then overlooking this little pen.
Yeah, that's my good pen over there.
Yeah.
when plenty rain and I don't want to keep them over there, so I put them inside the pen.
Yeah, nice.
And I get vine and thing and feed them.
Yeah.
You know?
Are they happy to get out of the rain?
Oh
then?
yeah, sometimes they in the rain and just by how you see they looking, you know, they don't like the rain. So most time I bring the mother with the young ones. And the bigger ones I leave them outside. But the one with the young ones on them, I put them inside the lady, get out of the rain so they could grow up better, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
You know? Some people don't like to put them in pen, but I put them in the pen to make some manuals.
Yeah, because you're using everything.
I could get the manual to give my plants them.
Yeah.
And it's a cultivation I have here, so I need the manual. It's not every time you could go and buy the salt manual. This manual is better than the salt manual. The artificial manual do good. You understand?
Yeah,
But
and if you're using enough of it, it gets expensive if you're buying it bag by bag.
Yeah, because in the cocoa over there, I got to buy some and it's $75 and $100 for a bag.
Yeah?
For over there when I had to. Whoa. But you see here now, I use the pen manual and I give all the plants on them. The fig, the blogo, the plantains. Sometimes I put it in the tanya and I grow me little weed with it.
Yeah. Oh, you got your turntable here?
Yeah.
You got your sound system?
I had that music since in America, man.
Oh, this is your American setup?
Yeah, and I come with it just like that.
Like proper turntable? Wow.
Just like that.
Like legit.
Yeah, I just got to get it current, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And make some noise.
Yo, know? This is proper.
Make some noise. You got Roger?
You got the whole amp going and your
I got my turntable on.
Man, legit. What's on the decks right now?
I got my turntable.
Gregory Isaacs on the decks?
Yeah, you know?
Absolutely. I'm still a record guy. I still got my turntables and
vinyl.
Man,
that's one on the ground there. I got 2 turntables, man.
Oh, what?
It's just
Were you DJing in New York?
Yeah, I used to play for some people who have little parties like christening and them thing there. Or if you want to keep a little birthday party, you call me and I come and play for you, but not for money's sake, you know?
Yeah, just
as a friend thing, you know? I used to do that and then I stop and I just play it in my house for myself.
No way, that's quite the sound system though to have for your own house.
Yeah, look, that's the speaker.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
And I got our next one inside the camp over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, again, nice high ceilings and then got all your storage you need.
I just painting up now to make it look brighter, you know?
Yeah, and you built the cabinets yourself?
Yeah, I do everything.
Yeah.
All this is I put up all the design.
Great, man.
See, like how I design it.
Yeah.
With the thing is, I do all that for myself. No help.
Gotta have the storage.
Yeah. That's where I keep some of my food.
In Windows, I have some friends that do this kind of work. I said, oh man, is Windows hard? He said, no man, as long as you're measuring it right.
Yeah.
It's not too complicated.
Well, what you do now, when you build in the house, you have to know what size of window you go put in.
Yeah.
So then now you make the space while you're building the house. So when you buy the window, it fit. You don't have to do too much balancing with it again because you already make the space for it. So when you buy the window, you just put it in.
Nice and simple, yeah.
Yeah.
Measure twice, cut once.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
That's the room where I sleep.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice and airy and open. And
you know.
And the views.
Yeah.
This is so crazy. Like, you get to look right outside on your farm.
Outside. Yeah, man. You see? You could see a lot going on in the garden right there.
Oh, man.
See?
You got your porch there. And to get to the ocean, if you were driving down that way, what is it, 10 minutes away? That's it?
No, a little more than 10 minutes.
A little more, okay.
In Crow should be, if you go down that direction where you pass, you come up.
Yeah.
When you reach the main road, you have a next road behind it, you go straight down and you end up by the sea.
Okay.
You know, over there now is a good way. That's Hope Beach. A beach they call Hope Beach. That's that direction. It's a long way.
Yeah.
Most time you take the bus to go there.
Yeah.
But I like to walk, so when I go in a walk, you know what I mean? The walking is not nothing for me. But other people go take the bus, who have cars, they drive, you know?
Man, yeah, it's nice and spacious. I love the ceilings.
Yeah,
I just love it.
I do everything. Everything is
so good.
Yep.
Yeah, if I ever build a something place like this, I would want the high ceilings too.
Yeah, and all the things you see inside here, that you make it, that you build it, this two thing here. I build that out of a piece of wood.
Yeah, nice.
You know? That one is a seat.
Yeah.
And that one is a small table for the middle of the...
Yeah, solid material.
So, you know, to roll up my joint,
Yeah.
I put my calabash right here. I get my scissors and I chop up my stuff. Roll my spliff right on the table here.
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
That's a table. I cut down a tree over there and I just use the pieces of wood.
Yeah.
And I make the table with it. I make the chair that I could sit on. So when I sit down here, I could always I could eat on it too. Put my plate right here and eat some food,
Yeah,
you know?
for sure.
Yeah, you know.
Got the Cutlass connection on the wall. Cutlass collection.
Yeah.
Essential tools.
Yeah. You can't do it like that when you work in garden.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing in a garden.
For sure.
You gotta get the cutlass.
Especially somewhere tropical.
Yeah.
But I even bought one for my garden in Canada because I'm just like hacking at weeds with it.
Yeah, you must have a cutlass if you're doing garden, man. You can't do cutlass only with fork or spade or what. You gotta have a cutlass. That's the real thing for it. Anytime you have a cutlass, you mean garden. You know what I mean?
If you don't have a Cutlass, you're not serious.
No, you're serious. Yeah, I think that is the first thing you have to buy when you go down to gardening.
Yeah.
And then if you need a spade or fork or, you know, but the cutlass is the right thing.
That'll get you started and going a long way. Right?
Yeah. Nowadays, people buy chainsaw and thing, but they still need the cutlass to cut the small bush. So cutlass is important.
And it's certainly a lot easier walking around with a Cutlass instead of a huge...
Yeah, but it's not something you could walk down the street with just like that. You have to put it in some bag or fold it up in some
they don't
paper.
want to see people walking around.
Yeah, because the law in Grenada is like you can't walk with this weapon in your hand like that, so you know what I mean?
Okay.
But if you hide it in a bag or some paper or something, you could walk down the street with it.
Okay.
When you're walking down the street with it like that, you look like you're going to do something, you're going to fight or something. That's why they put the law for it.
Okay.
Because if it was something different, you would be different because they can't stop you from having a cutlass. Because that's why you need to do the work. But it's how you carry it on the street. You understand? If you carry it in a bag, they know, well, yeah, he's going to do some work. You don't even know if he's a cutlass in the bag.
Yeah, don't have a Cutlass out of the bag and a glass of rum in the other.
Yeah, that is problem. That is a bigger problem.
That's how to get pulled over.
Yeah. When you do that, you get more problem because after you're drunk with this cutlass, you do every shit. You do all kind of thing you're not supposed to do.
Man.
Because you're drunk and somebody tell you something, you raise the cutlass, you know what I mean? That's why you have to kind of hide it if you're going out on the street with it. It's good. Just
fair enough, you know. Yeah. Things
make you because if you're walking down the street with it, somebody might find the way you hold it, just the way you hold it. They think you're going to do something bad, and it's not good to know a person thinking like that. You know, they get scared just because they see you with a cutlass walking down the street like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you have it in a bag, nobody knows it's a bag you have with a cutlass in it. You know, they don't know what's in the bag.
Do you want to show me the outside quick too? Because I think people don't understand how much of a hill this is. 'Cause it must have been challenging to even do the engineering to build it on the hill, right?
It's a good plan. A plan I had because.
Let's get my shoes on here. Yeah, it's a really nice cleaned up yard, like almost terraced. So like from this side, it looks like normal. You're just on some flat ground, right?
I dig down there a little, you know.
Okay.
It was more high, but I dig it down a little before I put the post the pillar.
Yeah.
Before I make the pillar.
But then full on, you really had to raise up the other side.
Yeah. You see, the back is high.
Oh, yeah, wow. So that's like a good 8 foot off the ground almost, yeah?
Yeah, about 8 foot. You
That must have been the challenging part, is getting it all leveled out for what you
Yeah,
even
well,
want to do.
I had a friend helping me with the pillars.
Yeah.
But afterwards, me alone have to finish it because he get his work too. So when he go to work, I start doing it by myself.
Okay.
And I don't ask for no help after that. I just continue doing it
Yeah.
until it reach to the perfection, as I say. I could sleep in it now and have
Yeah, and then you get a whole storage area, kind of hangout spot under here in the shade,
well,
right?
I'm planning to buy around here and
Mm-hmm.
I could make here like a downstairs where somebody could sleep.
Yeah.
You
You're
know,
getting
so
some hammock chill in here.
put a door right there, put
Yeah.
a window here, put a room there, you know, black it up,
Yeah,
put some black.
It's coming along real nice.
Yeah, man.
Because that, I don't know, that must not be easy to do all that.
It takes some work and it takes some time, but
Yeah.
I do it, you know what I mean?
And I gotta say, it feels solid walking around, because I've been in some people's cabins like this, and they use like the wood that's too thin, like just a little something, and you're stepping on the floor going, whoa.
Yeah, I buy the solid wood, man. I buy some big wood too.
Yeah.
So most people just use 2x4 and thing, but I use some bigger one. You see them?
Yeah.
6.
Some thicker.
Some big wood here.
For
and
sure.
then all the wood, the bigger wood is right wrong
Uh-huh.
to frame it.
Okay.
And then I put the 2x4 straight up. So it's a bigger wood than some wood. You have some small wood. When you build a house, you need it to shake
You
it.
gotta have the foundation.
Yeah,
just like we were
man, the
talking
foundation
about.
supposed to be good.
Yeah.
From foundation up,
Yeah.
you're solid, you know?
Yeah.
Or if you don't have no good foundation, don't start to build.
Don't stop. Yeah.
Yeah, don't even start to build if the foundation don't good.
Yeah.
You have to have a good foundation.
As someone who weighs over 200 pounds, I appreciate the extra solidness of the floor.
Yeah, man. God. Yeah, man, rest, man.
What's next, do you think, for the house here? What are you working on?
Well,
You always
right
got
now,
something-
I want to build up a bathroom.
Yeah.
That's on the side here.
Your bathroom is currently down there.
Yeah,
down that way.
that's just a outside tile, they just call it.
Mhm.
A pit house. Or they give it so much on need, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But on that side here, I want to build a bathroom with wall. So I have to put a post over here, and one over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you already got it. The basics going.
Yeah, I will put one here, one there, and then I will build it up like and concrete it. Then I could black it up,
Yeah.
so I could make a bathroom. So when somebody come by me, they could have a shower inside instead of bathing outside.
Yeah.
They could use the inside toilet instead of have to go down there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But things take time, and bit by bit I go get it done.
For sure.
I ain't worrying about that.
And like you said, eventually one day you would like to host some people here.
Yeah,
have that rental little
well,
business.
that's my, how I must say it, that's my object to bring
Okay.
people and just have fun. You know what I mean? Because I like having fun with people who overstand life. If you don't overstand life, don't come around me, because life is not something to destroy. Life is something to care about. Care about life. When you're there around people, you can't make a next person sad all the time, and that's no good. You come around somebody, have fun. You laugh, you enjoy yourself, you know what I mean? You speak about good things, not negative things, nothing about people. You don't want to know people's business. You think about things to uplift you and uplift our next person at the same time, you know what I mean? So it's not no idle thing when you come around me. If you come around me, it's not no idle thing to just, oh, you sit down and you want to sleep, or you don't. Nah, that'll do, man.
Yeah, well, I can imagine once you get that going, you're going to have a lot of people interested.
Yeah, well, that is the product I'm working on now.
Yeah.
The project is right there now to build up my thing, and then people could come and, because man, right now I'm taking people but not to stay. You understand?
Yeah.
Because I don't have the real outgoing thing yet for people to come and see the wrestling. If people want nature, they could come here and use the tile down there, and I don't feel away, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, you have some people who don't want to use that. Some people feel they on top. They stop use that already, so they don't want to come back using that no more. I stopped use it. I spent 36 years without using that.
Yeah, yeah.
And I come and that's the first thing I build when I come and clean the land. Because I know I'm going to need that. So I build that, I take a day to build a hole, to dig the hole about 7 feet deep.
Yeah.
7 to 8 feet deep this whole day. Me alone do that in one day time.
Whoa.
The morning I start, when 12 o'clock I come, I cook some food. I eat something, I drink something, smoke something. I go back and dig it, and when like 6 o'clock, I dig the pit about 8 feet deep. 7 to 8 feet deep. And when I'm ready to come out from the pit, I had us to get my ladder to put in the pit. Because I had the ladder right on the side by the pit where I could hold it to pull it down.
Yeah.
I already planned for that. So when I did in the hole, the ladder was right there. All I had us to do is to climb up a little and hold the ladder and pull it down that I could come out in the hole. Me alone dig it, man.
Whoa.
Yeah, one day I take and dig it because I don't want to be in the bush and going all about. I want to, you know what I mean?
You need a spot.
Yeah. And it's a comfortable spot for me to have that around because what sense going in the bush, man?
Yeah.
Dig a hole and do what you have to do.
Now, is it a big change though, not having the electricity, the current here after having it so long, or how do you feel about that?
I accustomed with that, because them things don't bother me. You see, if you are worrying about it, it's something different. But I ain't worrying about it. I know electric is there. The water is there. It's just me to go and sign up to get them things.
Yeah.
I got some money, but I don't want to just go and spend my money. Oh, I want water. Oh, I want light. And I could do other things. I want to finish my house complete. And then when I complete my house, I could say, all right, let me go and get the light. Because I check the people already for the light. I check the people for the water. But the people for the light say they go come and see how much pole they had to put.
Yeah.
And the people with the water tell me, go down there and sign up and get the, you have a farm you have to full. You full the farm, you give them and they go tell you when they go come and start connect your water for you. That is easy. And I got the money to do it. I just don't want to take all the money and just say, oh, I want to go and get water.
Yeah.
I want to get light. And then the house ain't done.
Yeah, true.
I want to have my house done complete. No this and that have to finish and that. I want to finish everything. Then I could say, all right, water, light. I already start to buy some wire to wire up the house.
Okay.
I'm taking
progress.
I'm taking my time. I don't rush thing.
But I don't know. I do find it kind of amazing because most people cannot live without that. So when I meet someone like yourself who had those comforts for many years, but you're actually quite happy without it for a little while.
Yeah, for a good time.
It's kind of amazing because I think most people cannot deal with that.
Yeah, because most people asking me, you have water? I say no. Why do you get water? You have light? No. Why do you get light? Because they can't live without that.
Yeah.
That's why they're asking me why I don't have it. If they could live without it, they didn't ask me that question. But it's a question they're asking me which it can make me upset because I know how to live without that.
Yeah, and like you said, it kind of created a whole new vibe where you're getting up early, you're going to sleep early, you're listening to your radio at night.
Yeah.
I know it's kind of a nice wind down, forced, because not having any electricity. But
the great thing about it, sometimes I sit down and listen to the radio until I want to sleep. When I start feel like I want to sleep, I just shut off the radio and go and lie down and sleep, rest myself. It's not that to say I force him to do anything. I sit down and listen to the news, I listen to the station where I could listen what they saying, they play music, they do everything on the radio. All the things we're going on, BBC, Trinidad, Barbados, all them stations I listen in the night. But most time I listen BBC for the whole night.
Yeah.
The BBC News, sometimes I listen for the whole night and then I just go and lie down and sleep. But I comfortable here, man. I have no complaint about where I live in here. And I don't think I go move from here and go anywhere else. I don't have that in my mind. You understand? That's why I build it with pillars like that. I build it with the wall pillars. I don't put no wood. When you have wood, you could always move. I don't want to move. I'm not a guy who like to move. I stay 12 years in one apartment in America before I move. Then I spend more than 8 years in our next apartment again. You understand? So I don't like this moving thing. So as I day here, I settle here. My life is comfortable right here. All what I have to do is just make my house look great.
Well, it's looking good already. I can't wait to see what you do with it. I'm really excited for when you get a little guest spot going, because I think that's going to go really well for you.
As the lady just asking me about the house, and I tell her I got to paint it. And I think I will put it in the same green like what in front.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It looks great. I mean, I even like the stain here.
Yeah.
That looks cool.
That's oil. Oil.
Oh, that's the oil one. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
For the rain. And the water, you know?
Yeah.
So the water can soak the board. When you
even that's a great color. I like it. Yeah.
Some people tell me leave it like that.
Yeah, whatever you feel.
It's just me, you know what I mean? It's not what people say. It's just what I feel. So if I feel like painting it, I paint it. If I feel like leaving it so, I leave it so. But in my mind, I go paint it.
All right.
Because it will look better painting. And I think it will save the board a little more.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, because the whole oil on the board, you know, is just a sealer. You seal up the board that the water can get you. Then you could take it from there, paint it. If you want, you could varnish it and it look just so the, or you could just look shine.
Get the clear coat.
Yeah. As a freelance man, I don't have nobody behind me head telling me what to do and when to go. You know, I'm a freelance person. When I want to do something, I just do what I have to do. It's not somebody say, oh, I don't think you. No, you don't have that with me.
Yeah.
You understand? So if somebody come here and they say, you know, I want to go by the beach, but how I must get here? I say, you could walk. Let us walk. If they want to take our transport, we go and get the bus, we go by the beach. But most time is walk. I like to walk. That's what keep me physical, because I like to walk. Come, let me show you something. See this? This is up my, I don't do me little exercise.
Oh yeah.
That little thing. That's the best thing, yeah.
That's not easy. I don't even know if most people could do one of those.
You see when you do that, your waist and your back, it's getting slack.
Yeah.
But if you're accustomed doing it, when you do it for the first time, you just feel it around your waistline.
Yeah.
But when you get accustomed with it, it's like normal.
Alright, yeah, it's like anything. You strengthen it up and you're good to go. I'm going to show people the mango tree quick. Is there a ladder all the way down? Okay. Alright, before we wrap up this video here, we're going to check the mango tree.
Yeah.
Like, I understand why you need to cut it down, but it certainly looks really cool. But yeah, you don't want it falling on the house or something. You don't want to trash the place just for looks.
Yeah, so I want to cut the branches.
Yeah.
Cut all the branches on it, and then I could cut the big stump. They follow.
Yeah. So you started the progress with the burning already?
Yeah, I burn it. You see a big hole out there in it?
Yeah.
That means inside it was dry.
Uh-huh.
So it don't make sense you leaving it there and inside it was dry like that. Right now it could fall anyway. If you just cut it, they fall.
Was it still bearing fruit at all?
Oh yeah, it had a lot of. If you look on the ground,
Yeah.
watch. Look there, a lot is mangoes from the tree.
Yeah.
But I just don't want it here because I don't want to make the house too black. You see a big hole. See?
Yeah.
So that need to cut down. I'll get it down. But I need to trim out some of the branches on it first.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Alright, well definitely I'm going to link all your stuff below. Ras Ginga YouTube channel, the Instagram, and eventually I'll update it with your guest house.
Bless
Soon
up.
enough.
Yeah man, bless up.
Yeah,
man.
looking good.
Yeah man, Rastafari. You know.